Find an equation of a line through the points 1, -2, and -9, 28. So when we find the equation, we want to put it into the form y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is the y-intercept. X and y will just stay x and y so that we can see the whole line. So we're really just looking for our slope m and our y-intercept b. Now our slope, the way that we can find that is using the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we can label these points. This point's our first point, so our first x-coordinate and our first y-coordinate. Similarly, our second x-coordinate and our second y-coordinate. So we substitute that in. We get 28 minus, we want to minus a -2, so I'll put parentheses there, over x2 is -9 minus 1. Okay, simplify this. 28 minus a negative becomes plus, so 30 over -9 minus 1 is -10. 30 divided by -10 is a -3. So our slope then is -3. Now we need to find our y-intercept. There's a couple different ways to do this. One way is by substituting one of the points, I'll just use 1 and -2, and the y-intercept into this equation and then solving for b. So we'll put -2 in for y equals m, which is -3. So we're just using this equation here, y equals mx plus b. So x is 1, and then plus, we just want to leave it as b because that's what we're trying to find here. So -2 equals -3 times 1 is just -3 plus b. Add the 3 to both sides to isolate that b. Those cancel, so -2 plus 3, we just get 1 equals b. So now we have our b, or our y-intercept, we have our m, or our slope, and so we can now put that into our equation. So y equals -3x and then plus 1. And that's it. Let me know if you have questions.